going to compare and learn Nahar Spinning Limited and Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, and we will see which company is still most undervalued and there is a value for price appreciation. We will compare these two companies with the different category in terms of sales, net profit, equity per share, face value, promoter holding. So let's see Nahar Spinning Mills Limited. It has declared a result on August 2nd with sales of rupees 738 crore with a net profit of rupees 100 crore, equity share capital of 18, earning per share of rupees 27 with a face value of rupees 5, promoter holding of 66.31. Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, its result yet to announce, that is it is planned to be declared on 12th of August. However, I have estimated sales around 76 crore, net profit around 8 crore, equity share capital of 6.96 with earning per share around 110, face value of rupees 100, promoter holding is up to 63.36. If you see, these two companies are in similar area. They are producing cotton yarn and in textile sector. As all of us aware, the cotton prices and cotton yarn prices are increased. Cotton yarn prices compared to last June quarter, this quarter it is appreciated 46%. So there is a good turnaround for spinning mills that you can see in their result as well. For example, Nahar Spinning, you can see their sales are steadily increasing from last year, because after the COVID there is a heavy shortage of cotton and cotton yarn production. Also, once the COVID vaccination and all happening and COVID relaxation is happening, the demand for textile is increasing, and the demand from export market also increasing. Another major factor is US has banned China's cotton due to Xinjiang regions issues, that also contributed in increase in export from India. So there is a higher demand from exports, so there is a higher price appreciation of cotton and cotton yarn. It is also increasing in July, it is also increasing in August, and it is going to increase in next 2 to 3 months time period, making losses from last couple of quarters, and they started profit from December onwards, December 2020. So their profits started increasing, you can see. Also in June last year there were full locking, and this year June it was not nationwide locking. So some states they were unlocked, some states they were locked. So it was kind of not full nationwide locked. Hence there are some progress. Okay. So with the face value of rupees 5, with the equity share capital of rupees 18, and with the profit of rupees 100, and promoter holding, if you see, they are also increasing. So promoters are seeing their value in their company. In case of Nahar Spinning, promoter holding is increased from 64.83 to 66.31. Also the share price also getting increased. In July itself it has appreciated a lot. It is in a linear incremental increase. However, compared to Nahar Spinning, Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, its face value is rupees 100. Here also promoter holding is increasing from 61.5 to 63.36. So they are also accumulating, increasing their promoter holding. Similarly, they are started making profit. They were making loss, they were started making profit from December, March. So in June I'm expecting a profit. Okay. So with this upcoming result and also in the next quarter results, they will do well. The spinning mills, they will do well. So in my view, the share price of Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, after the result declaration, it should start appreciating, and it should double from here. So we need to wait, we need to give time for share price to appreciate. We should be patient in share market, and we will see the value will start unlocking, just like Nahar Spinning. So Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, one can review and start accumulating because it is yet to unlock its value. Thank you.